Good morning, everyone. My name Abdelkader Touimer. I work and live in Paris, and actually, I am a project manager in CRM Dynamics 365 online. I would like to take this chance and speak about Dynamics 365 Monitoring Challenge. This program initiated by Mark Smith. By the way, thank you, Mark, for your engagement and giving us your expertise. I really recommend to everyone to participate and apply on this program. It gives you the possibility to have insights and tips from a small community, very engaged community, and some of the MVPs, including this community. It's free and it's very benefit for me, especially for the effective communications, um, the how to become more convenience on what you are doing, and a lot of other things. So please, if you want to your career go to further, so apply on this program and you won't be disappointed. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a nice day.